Alright guys, got a 2004 Sebring crank no start. I'm gonna take you through and show you how to diagnose this real quick, see if we can get this guy up on the road again. Stick around. Customer says we just had a computer put in it, been rebuilt, got a warranty sticker right there. Said he also did a new cam sensor and a new crank sensor. Alright, real first, down and dirty, we're gonna go for spark. Alright, go ahead. Alright, no spark. Get out the scanner and see what kind of RPM signal we got. We're going to be looking for a signal. Go ahead. Alright. No RPM signal. Alright, we're going to go ahead and check and see if we're getting a signal at our crank sensor. We pulled a wiring diagram, and the wiring diagram shows that the gray wire, black tracer, is going to be our signal wire. Alright, Brian, go ahead and give me that. Yeah, go ahead. Alright. We got another white wire we're tapped into. And we have nothing on the scanner. No 5-volt reference. So throwing a sensor in it isn't going to fix the problem. Now we got two options. We can either chase down all the sensors, unplugging them one at a time and see if one's shorted to ground, or we can go straight for the computer, unplug it, see if the computer's giving us a 5-volt at all, and make our decision then. Alright, according to our wiring diagram, we're looking for a violet and white wire. It's going to be pin 29. There's the violet and white. Right there. On at 29. That violet and white, pin 29. That's what we're going for. Just gonna back probe it. Key on, we have no 5-volt reference. All right. So let me turn the key off. right, 29 is going to be the bottom left corner. It's going to be that pin there. There we go. Pin 29. So the computer is putting out 5 volts. We got a bad sensor. Shorting out somewhere. Alright, you guys. Violet and white wire we got you tapped into. That's your 5 volt supply. We got nothing on the scanner. We're going to start unplugging sensors one at a time. We're going to start with the cam sensor. Trying to get our 5 volt reference back.
You make a video all the time for
Look at that. First one. Alright, we got lucky, guys. This is the first one we picked. Cam sensor is new per customer, but it is shorting the 5 volt circuit down to ground. So we're gonna start there. You wanna try to crank it up, Bert? Now the cam sensor unplugged, it's not going to crank up. But I'm going to try to do a bypass test with a test light. Go ahead and give it a try. Alright. It ain't going to crank up. I'm going to try to bypass it. I'm going to try to bypass it with the test light. See if we can get the fire off. Go ahead. Again. There you guys have it. Bypass camshaft sensor. Short to ground. Kill it. Hey Bert, find me some more work.